In this video, let me show you how to use the Binance Light Mode for beginners. So if you are a beginner and want to use the Light Mode so that you can remove all of the complex trading charts as well as the order books, let me quickly show you on how it is done. So you simply need to head over to the three lines on the top left of your screen, and once you're inside of this profile section, on the bottom you should be able to see the option called Binance Light being displayed. You simply need to tap on this option, and as soon as you do that, the entire platform will switch to Binance Light, meaning you can simply head over to the particular cryptocurrency that you want to buy and simply tap on the buy option, and then you would be able to exactly add in the total amount and simply buy this particular cryptocurrency. As I said, it removes all of the complex things such as order books or trading charts, making it easy for beginners to start trading. So this is the exact steps that you can follow in order to activate or use the Binance Light Mode. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.